Growing on Instagram feels harder than ever. You post consistently, you use hashtags, you try trends, and still, little to no growth. But recently, I discovered an AI tool that completely changed how I approach Instagram. And it doesn't rely on luck, viral dances, or spending hours online. In this video, I'm going to show you how this AI tool boosts Instagram growth almost effortlessly, what it actually does, and how creators are using it to grow faster with less work. Let's break it down. The biggest mistake people make on Instagram is guessing. They guess what to post, when to post, what captions to write, which hashtags to use, what their audience wants. Instagram doesn't reward guessing. It rewards relevance and consistency, and that's where AI comes in. This AI tool acts like a personal Instagram growth assistant. Instead of manually doing everything, the AI analyzes your niche, your audience behavior, trending content in real-time, high-performing hooks, optimal posting times. Then it helps you create content that Instagram is already pushing. You're no longer trying to beat the algorithm. You're aligning with it. One of the hardest parts of Instagram is knowing what to post. This AI solves that instantly. It scans top-performing posts in your niche and identifies viral formats, repeated themes, common hooks, caption styles that convert content gaps you can fill. Instead of copying creators blindly, you're using data-backed inspiration. This alone can save hours every week. Hooks matter more than anything. If the first line doesn't grab attention, the post dies. This AI generates scroll-stopping hooks, optimized captions, call to actions that drive engagement, keyword-rich text for discoverability. You can tweak the tone, educational, motivational, casual, or bold, no more staring at a blank screen. Hashtags are still useful, when used correctly. Instead of using random or overused tags, this AI selects hashtags based on competition level, audience size, niche relevance, current performance. This helps your posts reach people who actually care, not just random viewers. More relevance equals more engagement. Timing matters more than people realize. This AI tracks when your specific audience is most active, not generic best times to post, real data. Posting at the right moment increases. Early engagement reach saves and shares, which tells Instagram your content is worth pushing further. Here's why this tool feels effortless. Instead of spending hours on research, writing, planning, testing, failing, the AI handles the heavy lifting. Your job becomes simple. Approve ideas, post consistently, engage lightly. That's it. Consistency plus optimization equals growth. This works especially well for small creators, faceless pages, business accounts, side hustlers, coaches, content creators, AI and money pages. You don't need a big following to start. In fact, this works best when your account is small. This isn't magic overnight growth. But when used consistently, creators often see higher engagement within weeks, more profile visits, better reach, faster follower growth, clearer content direction. Most importantly, momentum. And momentum is everything on Instagram. The biggest advantage isn't speed, it's clarity. You stop guessing, you stop overthinking, you stop burning out. AI gives you direction, and direction creates confidence. Instagram growth doesn't have to be exhausting. With the right AI tool, you can work with the algorithm instead of fighting it. Less effort, better content, smarter growth. If you want to grow on Instagram in 2025, AI isn't optional. It's the advantage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.